Alrighty, YouTubers, it's that time again. We have another special unboxing to do. You guys gonna love this one. This thing is amazing. The best mattress I ever slept on in my life. I will show you all the models they have to offer. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody's home and safe. We have another special unboxing coming from my good friends over at 8sleep.com. Link will be down below. They have an amazing Labor Day sale going on now until I do believe the end of the month. You can check it out. It'll be in the description. This is the queen size Pro Pod Max, but we're going to show you this at the end. So I have the original model, the second model, queen, and then king size. So I'll show you those two models along with this new one. This came out. This is a Pod Pro Max. 8 sleep. Really sweet bed. This is where you can control your temperatures at night. They show you how you sleep, how many toss and turns you have. There's an app for it on the iOS and Android. They're going to have to download, but it's well worth it. I mean, when it gets hot, it gets hot. Especially at -10, it gets really cold. So definitely depends on if you like it sleep hot, put it all the way up. If you like it sleep cold, turn it all the way down. But you can adjust it to different levels. I'll be showing you it in the app coming up. Be with you 1 second. We're going to hop into the other rooms. But this is like the comforter, I do believe, and the unit. There's like a little separate unit you had to install. So really cool service though. Best bed of the new era of sleep. You guys will not be disappointed. I do believe they offer 100-day challenges, but trust me, you guys gonna not want another mattress after this one. This is the best one I ever slept on. So I'll show you guys in a few. Alrighty guys, I'm about to show you some magic that came out of these boxes. Now this is going to be the queen size version of the Pod Pro Max, coming from 8 Sleep. The best mattress you'll ever sleep on. Guaranteed. The future of sleep is here, guys. This is what she looks like. Really sweet upgrade. This is the black version. Here's a water tank. Gonna fill that up if you guys want to. They said also recommended to add a little peroxide for the first time so I could clean the pipes and stuff. But here it is. There's a little waterproof protector. The power cable. Here's a brain. I think these are the air vents. Yep. Down low. Now we show the back side. Here is the fan, power and cable, the IR sensor, and there's where the hose go that I showed you where the queen size, the Pod Pro, but this is the Pod Pro Max, and nice little duffel bag they send you with the magic right here. But I'm waiting for the queen size mattress to come in a couple hours, so I just want to show you what you got in those two boxes because they did individually shipped. And box 1 and 2, you get the comforter, the brain, and then number 3 shipment will be here in a little bit. So, but I just want to show you guys what this looked like, make it easier for me to set up too. So we're definitely going to show you guys the full setup and how to run the app and everything else for this Pod Pro. So sit back, relax, and thank you guys for watching. Be right back. Guys, this is the king size Pod 8 Sleep right there. I mean, it's amazingly made mattress, guys. You will not be disappointed. Look at the blue or the teal. Not sure. I think it's a teal stitching right across all the way around. This is so sweet. This is the future of sleep, man. I'm telling you guys, will not be disappointed. They got so many other cool accessories too to help you sleep through like foot massage things, but I mean, this thing is huge. They also got bed frames now, leg resters type, those massagers, and now here is the air conditioning unit. That's what I call it, but this is the main brain right here. You gotta fill it up want some H2O, pop it in, and then the LED light down at the bottom will show up. See, it's right now it's white. That means that's on standstill. And then once you go download the app, it is called 8 Sleep right there. See, here it is. I mean, this company came a long way. This is so much cooler. This new version of the app. But definitely amazing piece of technology right here, guys. Let's see. Right there, it'll show your finesse score up to 100%. You could do like 8 hours is 100%. So if you get under or less, it'll let you know. Mine's off the charts. I don't sleep too well, but this is my mom's room, so I got her the king size. And it'll tell down here. You could right there's got bedroom. Tells you right here. Today usually 5 hours. For today, average is about 6. Wake up consistency. So you wake up 4:30 in the morning or 4:12 in the morning. Time to fall asleep. It shows you how long it takes you to fall asleep. Time to get out of bed. Sleep details down below. In bed, out of bed. Sleep badges or stages. So, I mean, this is so helpful. If you guys want to learn more about your sleep, this is a way to go. No other bed company offers this technology right now. They got blacked out curtains, I do believe. So we're going to hop over now to show you the queen size. That'll be in my room. And then we're going to open the king or the new queen Pod Pro Max at the end of this video. So but this is a king size Pod Pro. And I'm going to show you the guy's original model that I first got from them. So pretty exciting stuff today though. Definitely check this out. Alright guys, I'll be in a second. Alright guys, we are back in my room. And now we have the queen size. Looking good. And then underneath. And this is one of their bed frames they used to have. They have a new upgraded version. So you might want to check them out too. If you need a bed frame at a low cost. So here's the brain of it. Really cool. They got a long hose too. Got all the way wrapped around. Oops. Let me show you a sec. Get some more light in here. But there's a little hose. And now, once I set up the Pod Pro Max, you'll see how it looks out of the box and everything. But this is the queen size Pod Pro. Definitely check that one out, guys. I mean, this will be the best sleep you'll ever have in your life, guaranteed. Now we're going to show you my sleep. See, you got that. Get that app right there. This is an iPhone, so either iPhone. I like to keep it hot. And then you can control it. You can set a temp. So your bedtime. Schedule, you can have your schedule set Monday through Sunday, Sunday through Monday, however you want to look at it. That's really easy to use. And let's see. Today heart rate shows that. Sleep, respiratory. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of blurry, but a lot of cool functions this one has. And ambient sounds it has. Kind of like yoga. You could listen to them, meditate, whatever helps you get your 8 hours. So today was the first time in a long time I got 7 hours of sleep. And like I said, it shows wake up. And something going on. Fire. And then in bed at 11:50 p.m. Out of bed at 10. Yeah, I was tired yesterday though. And like I said, more down here. your heart rate, 71, 65, 76 max. And it shows your bed surface, 89, 84, 101. Winter time, because it's cold in Michigan, I usually have that. It's like 110, 111. But really comfortable, guys. You guys will guaranteed on a good night's sleep on this. No problems asked. We'll go into the other room and show you the main box and start unboxing. But like I said, this is queen size Pod Pro, and then the other one was the king size Pod Pro. So you got those two, and now we're going to show you the Pod Pro Max. Stay tuned. Guys, this is the one of the bed frames that 8 Sleep has. All you got to do is check it out. Click the link down below. And here it is. The queen size smart mattress. Oh, baby. Right there. Smart bed. Queen size. I'll be right back. Alright, guys. We're down on the ground. We got this plugged in right there. The USB plug's there. And right here, you just gotta click it. Once you hear the click, that means it's good to go. So now all I gotta do is shove this back. Hopefully not knocking anything over. See right there? We got the blue light flashing. That means I gotta go on the app. Like I said, there's an app for it on the Apple, iOS, or the Android. That's gonna require your email, your Wi-Fi passwords. Easy setup. I'll show you guys in a second once I get up off the floor. But definitely awesome technology for a mattress. This will be the best bed you ever sleep on in your life. Guaranteed. So I'll be right back. Alright, guys, we're still down in the bottom. We got it all running now. We got the heat going. And it's priming. So you might want to do that too once you get it all set up and connected. Is to go into the settings mode. Be right here, 8 Sleep. Back out of this. So you got Pod Pro full system, Pod Pro active grid, and hub Pod full system. So there's different ones to choose. And then see right now, it'll show too much glare on that one side. We may adjust. Man, that might help a little bit. But keep it usually at 10. Extremely hot. But right now it's priming, so really cool. And you can adjust it all the way up. I mean all the way down. It should go blue. There you go. So 8 Sleep. I think I showed pretty much everything on the other video. It shows your finesse score. It tells you how many hours. I mean, this bed is amazing, guys. Really comfortable also to sleep on. You will not be disappointed. So all I gotta do is click the link, choose your size, and sit back and wait, and they'll have it shipped to you in no time. You can go monthly, yearly, weekly, daily. So, and my sleep schedule is way off though. On average, I think I get like 2 or 3 hours of sleep at night. And my heart rate tells that. But a lot of NBA stars are using these beds for them. And I'm telling you, it's the best. Especially with the heat. Especially if you live in the East Coast with the cold and the snow. These beds are amazing. If you like to cool down, like I showed you before, you could just do it at a temperature. And it gets really cold, guys. I mean, it's definitely maybe 30s or 40s. I don't know. It could be colder than that, but when it gets hot to 110 degrees, that's my surface temperature usually. But right now, average is 89, 83, and 102. So I could usually get it up there to 111, but that gets a little too hot. That has like a lot of you'll start sweating. But they got the sheets also you could buy for your bed, the mattress protectors. So I mean, you might want to grab some of those, especially if you buy it for your kids. You never know. But pretty much I showed you guys everything. Really cool stuff though. Thank you guys for watching. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon. Hey guys, here we are once again with the 8 Sleep app. Download in the iPhone. So hub offline, check connection. So I'm gonna have to reset all this good stuff. This is a Pod Pro Max. Oh baby. But you guys will not be disappointed at all with this one. So it's flashing. Alright, I'm gonna pause you guys right about now. Alright guys, here it is. It's all set up. We got the app running right here. Right now it's priming. I'm gonna do that not every month or so. Depends on how much you use your bed. It's really easy. You just gotta change the water and then go into your settings on top right here. Here we go. You can choose solo. That's you only. And you can choose left side, right side, or the whole bed. I choose both sides. If you have a partner, you can enter his or her email, and they'll get a link where they can link up so that when they sleep over, they could see their adjustments with their bed temperatures and everything else. But really cool settings. Like I said, got that down pat. You can change the light display on the LED down at the bottom over there. But temperature, maintenance. Sorry about that. Go in there and it says priming right down here. Just click on it and the reservoir status is good, so we're good to go. She's rocking. But I'm telling you guys, this is the best bed in the whole world right now. You guys can't and won't find another bed like this. This is definitely a unique bed and well worth it. I mean, Christmas is coming, guys, so Santa Claus is looking. Right there. I'm going to crank it up all the way up to 10. Like I said, you don't have to have it that hot. It all depends on if you're like a downstairs or something like that. You could crank it up. And like I said, if you want air conditioning, click it all the way down to cold, -10, -2. It's up to you. But I'm telling you guys, you will not be disappointed. So there it is. Pretty much that's about it though. Really comfortable. Super soft. You guys. And check them out. I just got to remove the tags and peel off the sticker on top. But I did it all by myself. But if you're giving it for your parents or somebody in a family member, you're going to want to help them out. Because it's kind of heavy for a single person to do. But check them out, guys. Nothing to lose. Everything to gain. Especially with this bed, guys. This is the future of sleep right here. So, alright, guys. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.